A very good morning to all. Welcome to the Nerdy Scientists YouTube new video. It's a very important breaking news which is actually coming up worldwide, and it's trending worldwide. So it was very important that I discuss with you all about this latest report. It's about the Israel country which has developed a key COVID antibody that attacks and neutralizes the virus in patient's body. So Israel's Institute for Biological Research has successfully isolated a monoclonal antibody that can neutralize the COVID-19, but it is unclear if that vaccine has been tested on humans or not. So it is not yet confirmed. So there have been many speculations coming up on YouTube and various Indian national channels, but at present it has not yet been confirmed this vaccine has been tested on humans, but yes, it has been proved that it can neutralize COVID-19, and these antibodies have the capability to actually prevent the effect of COVID-19 using these monoclonal antibodies. So Israel has actually announced, the Defense Minister Naftali Bennett said on Monday that he called it a significant breakthrough towards possible treatment of COVID-19. In an official statement, he has claimed that the monoclonal neutralizing antibody developed by the Israel Institute for Biological Research attacks the virus and neutralizes it inside the virus carrier's body. So monoclonal antibodies, as the name suggests, are cloned from a single recovered cell, as they have actually, we know about it. We have been studying monoclonal antibodies, and monoclonal antibodies have been very much successful in previously also in preventing SARS and MERS virus. So research scientists have actually started from the old books, and they have actually suggested to go for monoclonal antibodies initially. There was few suggestions at that point of time, and now the reports have actually successfully claimed that this monoclonal antibodies have been successful in actually preventing the COVID-19 infection to be spread, and COVID-19 infection is definitely can be suppressed, and the COVID-19 patients can successfully be treated comfortably and efficiently if the human trials go successful after few more months. So it is a very good and effective ideology which has been proven successfully again right by the scientists of Israel at this point of time. And in typical antibody vaccines, neutralization occurs when laboratory developed antibodies mimic the body's natural immune response and attack the virus when exposed to it. So that's how actual antibodies act. When you're actually using antibodies in vaccines, it actually, this is the way in which this natural immune response happens when you actually introduce antibodies into a patient's body. So this is how they have gone into development phase, and the antibody formula has now been successful. The statement, again going into deeper facts, the director of IIBR, Shapira, as saying that the antibody formula was being patented, and after which an international manufacturer would be sought to mass produce it, and it will go into the market. The IIBR, as a secretive research unit, has actually started this ideology 2-3 months back, and the Prime Minister has not yet released further information about the vaccine itself. So the development of an antibody is very promising, and this vaccine would join several other candidates that are already being touted as the potential vaccines for COVID-19. So this vaccine is not only the one strategy which we are going for. There are more other methodologies scientists are using in Israel, in US, in Italy. There are many other vaccines which are being introduced, but not yet into the manufacturing phase. So in vaccine development, there are a lot more phases. So now at present you can't confirm that this is the only vaccine which can be used to prevent COVID-19. But yes, one strategy has been created, one way has been created right now, one breakthrough has come up. So I want to discuss with you all about this thing, and we hope that this actually would help us in preventing this COVID-19 outbreak, and will actually subsidize the infection, the spread of infection too, using this monoclonal antibodies. And this monoclonal antibodies, why it is so special? Because previously in various other virus infections, in various other plagues, monoclonal antibodies have played very important role, key role in actually being used as a vaccine and subsidizing or suppressing the infection spread. So we hope that Israel's decision on this particular on this particular monoclonal antibodies comes fast, and they go through the development phase, go for the human clinical trials, and go forward with various strategies towards developing an effective and efficient vaccine. And I congratulate wholeheartedly to the Israel government for taking this particular step. Though it is a small country, it has actually come up with a very, very effective vaccine, very being competitive to the world's best countries, the best research happening in other countries. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Do follow our channel for constantly getting these updates. So yeah, thank you and bye.